channel. So today's video is going to be my other Fabfitfun unboxing. Like I told you in my previous unboxing, I added a Sona box because I got FOMO of one product that I'm going to show you. So I don't have any makeup on, just a lip gloss, so sorry about that, but this is going to be a quick video. So this is how the box looks like. It's a smaller box, less heavy than my previous unboxing and my previous box. So first of all, we have some coupons. We have a wine coupon. We can use that. As you know, they don't ship to Puerto Rico. We have this Hello Fresh. We have a 15% off that you can see and you can use. Let me know in the comment below if you want this coupon. You are going to save 15% off in your first box, so it's a great deal. Like always, we have the Fabfitfun magazine with some information about the products and some recipes. In my previous box, I didn't get the stickers. I guess they forgot to add the stickers, but here are the stickers. So this is how inside of the box looks like. We have some paper. I'm going to try to do my best to do this in order of the customization. So the first customization, we have a duo. So we have the Bliss Block Store Invisible Daily Sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen with SPF 30. This is a tinted sunscreen. Like you know, we have to protect our skin from the sun 7 days a week, always, no matter the season. So this is how it looks like. I haven't tried it yet. Hopefully I'm going to try it soon. If you want any review of any of these products, please let me know in the comments below. So the duo comes with this Bliss Drench and Quench Rich Water Cream for all day moisture. It with 4 hyaluronic acid. This is a moisturizer. The brand is Bliss. Looks like this. Very nice size. I tried this one. It leaves my skin a little bit sticky, which I hate, but if you use a small quantity, you are going to be okay. So yeah, it's always nice to receive a moisturizer, right? So the next customization, we have a customization 2. I think that was the Acupressure Pillow. I haven't tried the Acupressure app yet because we received an app that you are going to have 3 months with some videos about the bed yoga, yoga wake up. So yeah, I need to sign on in that app. So this is how the Acupressure Pillow looks like. It's smaller than expected and it hurts a little bit, but you need to get used to it. You can use in your neck, in your lower back. So yeah, I am very excited to try it. We will see. So that was customization 2. Customization 3, I added the Kate Summerville Espolicade Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. Looks like this. I have tried this from a previous box some time ago and I really loved it. This is one of my favorite exfoliating treatments, the Kate Summerville, and this is very expensive. It's like $89, something like this, the retail price, so it was a great deal to receive it in the box. So like I told you, I tried it previously. Let me show you this one. But I think it's expired because it's like clumpy, you know, when it's like lumpy, I don't know, it's like green, but this is how it looks like. Let me take this off. But I am very excited to have a new one. So the next customization, customization 4, this is the main reason why I added this box. This is the Juicy Moran with argan oil body butter. Looks like this. I have never heard of Juicy Moran until now, until this box, and I checked their website and they have very nice products, so I am very excited. So I tried this body butter and the scent is like grapefruit, looks like this, it's very rich. I am not very fan of the scent, I am going to be honest with you, but I like it. But will I buy this again? Maybe with another scent, and for $15, because we can add this to your box if you chose another item for $15, I think it's okay. But the scent, I am not a fan of it. But it's nice, I guess. So, like I told you, seasonal members are going to be able to choose only 4 customizations. So I chose my 4 customizations, and Fabfitfun chose the 5 and 6 for me. So for customization 5, they chose, I don't like when they chose, because always that they chose, I am not a fan of their what they have chosen for me in the past. So they chose this blue light blocking eyewear. Looks like this. These are like glasses for blue light blocking when you're using your computer, for example. But I am not used to use eyewear, so I feel like a little bit uncomfortable with this. So I am going to give this to my husband if he likes. So this is customization 5. It's not something that I will choose for myself. So in customization 6, they chose for me a trio, which I am going to add this for the giveaway that I am going to do in my channel. That is going to include, like you saw in the Jeffree Star video, the Jeffree Star clarifying cleanser and the Jeffree Star moisturizer, some makeup brushes, and this trio. So we have the Humankind moisturizing hand scrub. I have this scrub. This is like a raspberry scent, yeah, and it's very nice for your hands. This trio includes the cuticle cream London Town, a cream for your cuticles, and the trio includes the Ico London Double Add Shadow Stick with a sharpener. So I'm going to add this to the giveaway, so be sure to be subscribed to my channel. I'm going to do a video about the rules, so meanwhile stay tuned. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks to all the people that have subscribed to my channel, and yeah, see you the next one. Bye. Mwah.